No, sorry about that. Where was I? So yeah, so that's basically what they are. These are just different solutions you can have to the topic. Obviously, there's multiple different solutions for such a big issue. So that is a bunch of them. My advice would be just to make sure that you're researched on your topic before you actually begin to write the resolution. Make sure you have a good idea, and make sure you have a good idea on all three of the topics. Maybe write one or two resolutions. You can write three if you want. Most people only write one. So make sure you write at least one that you will really help your points, I suppose. And yeah, but like make sure that you have a good idea of what the other ones are looking like as well. Amendments are only on operative clauses. You cannot change a preambulatory clause. Most people don't even read them. There's not really any point in having a big lump of them because no one's really going to read them. It doesn't really matter. Your amendments are only to do with your operative clauses, which are these ones here, because they're the actual solutions which you'll be discussing within your committee. And you can email resolutions in advance. The emails will be going out very shortly. You email amendments on the day. So make amendments if you want. What is handy usually is if you have a resolution, you can pick kind of aspects of that resolution or operative clauses from the resolution that you can use as amendments. So let's say someone was talking about the trade war between the USA and China. If there's three topics and you're getting through about 6 resolutions, you'll be looking at about 2 of the same topic. And let's say they forgot to put this part in. I could probably submit this as an amendment, and there's a good chance it'll pass as well because it's well thought out. But try and do that for all 3 of your topics if you can, because that's going to also help with your points a lot. So your final tips and your takeaways. This video goes on for half an hour, and I've kind of tried to make it as comprehensive as possible, but the vast majority of the things that you do in MUN and the things that you learn from MUN, you kind of learn on the day. That's the truth. I think the first time I ever did MUN, this video would be very handy to have. I think it's good that you do have a good idea now, and maybe watch this once or twice as well if you can. But it's also important that you know that when you go there on the day, everyone there is just trying to make sure that you have a good time, that you're kind of contributing to your committee. So they're all there to help you. If you do have any questions, make sure you ask your chairs. They're 100% there to help you. MUN is quite difficult, I suppose, in a certain sense, but it's also very fun. You meet a lot of different people. I've myself, I have a lot of friends that I've made through MUN. So just make sure that once you go there, you have you're serious enough, I suppose, within your committees, but you're also making sure you have a little bit of fun as well. You're there with your mates. I know some people are coming from well outside of the county that we're in, so that's going to be a great experience. So I suppose, yeah, if you have any questions, other questions, make sure to email us. You can also ask in the comments here below. We'll try and answer them as comprehensively as we can. So yeah, listen, we're gonna very, very excited to have you next month. A lot of planning has gone to this conference, so we're very, very excited for it to go ahead. And yeah, thank you very, very much for watching. Good luck with your resolutions and your amendments. Make sure to ask questions on the day and before the day, comments, or just email. And yeah, it's been great to have the chat with you. Thank you so much.